Hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Katie Lax, and today's video will be my wish list for 2026. But it's not no ordinary date wish list, but it's going to be a luxury wish list. Is this type of things that you love and enjoy, like people making this type of video, you will definitely love and want to stick around. And if you're the type of person that is just naturally a hater and just hate when people doing luxury hauls, unboxing, or talking about luxury in general, perhaps this video is not for you and perhaps you could just click out. But those of you who want to stay, again, welcome. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn on my notification to be notified every time that I upload, and show that you're following me on all of my socials, which I'm going to be linked on the screen here, and comment, share this video to friends and loved ones, and let's get into it. Now, we know that 2025 have been a bumper year, a good year, alhamdulillah, Allah, inshallah. Yeah, I am so blessed and grateful for this year. It's been a really exciting journey, and a lot of things that I had on my wish list I had acquired. And 2026 is a year that I'm really looking forward to. It's a year of the horse. If you're spiritual and you believe in the zodiac signs or whatever, these are a few things that I have on my wish list and that I will be working very, very hard towards in accomplishing, and not one, but all of that. I'm a heavy believer in manifestation. Everything that I've acquired in my life, I have manifested it. So let's start up strong. I think I'm going to kind of show you on the screen what it is I'm looking at. As things first, we have here, just quickly show you that my jewelry set. Now, a lot of the things that I have here on the screen that I have acquired, I recently went into Cartier a few days back, which I'm going to show on the screen video here, and tried on a few of their watches that I absolutely love, because I wanted to actually complete my daily stack jewelry from Cartier that I absolutely love. And I was like, something is actually missing, a few things that is missing to make the stack worthy of. Tried out a bit of the watches. If you follow me on my TikTok, you would definitely know what's up, and if you follow my Instagram, you would definitely know what's up. So yeah, but I'm in two minds whether I should go over to Rolex and actually get a Rolex watch as well. And I'm really looking into the two-tone type of color here. I find it's really beautiful with diamond studs inside, and of course a tennis bracelet that I want to complete the stack. And as you can see in the picture here, that I do have the Just Clue stack, the Cartier Love bracelet, and also the Infinity Love bracelet, which is number one that they have here. Now, the Chanel bag I definitely have already in black with the gold, with the handle and also the gold hardware. So I was like, oh my god, this is actually the perfect picture to complete that stack. In terms of pricing, I think I'm going to link the pricing for the items. And yeah, so moving on strong, now this gorgeous bag from Bottega. Now, Bottega has really hit the mark, like in terms of their clutch bag, and everybody literally have followed suit. But when I went into Bottega, which I'm going to put a video on the screen here, I tried on two of their bags. One that really caught my eye is their ostrich clutch in the color royal blue. I find this color absolutely stunning, a color that I actually get a lot of compliments on, and I have been eyeing this bag for literally 5 months now, and it's ranging, I think, for £4,000. Nothing that is too crazy or like too I cannot afford, but because of I have responsibilities and being a responsible adult, I'm going to refrain at this point in time in my life and get it into the very near future of 2026. And with that being said, I actually thought what would be a great package, a combination to match this bag from Bottega in ostrich leather, of course, stunning, is the Van Cleef in Alhambra in the color Agate. I find this set will look absolutely stunning, like the bracelet and the earrings, of course, with the clutch will look absolutely stunning all together on me with a gorgeous nice either white dress or blue dress or a black dress. Oh my god, I think this is kind of actually put together across look. And I'm the type of girl that, I don't know about you, but I love a good set. If you don't recognize that, when I'm wearing something, especially like clutch and jewels, especially jewels, I always sought after to have the set of the jewels rather than to have pieces. But for this instance, if I'm definitely getting a necklace, I would either get the 20 motif necklace that will be doubled around the neck, or a 10 motif necklace. But I find the bracelet with the earrings in the color agate, which is the blue here, will complement that royal blue ostrich clutch from Bottega. Oh my god, perfectly. Like, I really want to hear you guys thoughts in the comment section, if it's something like a color that you really gravitate to, or if a color that you think that will actually look really good on me. I did try on different colors, which I'm going to show here on the screen in the store. The color that actually I love was the red, and also I think it was like a green with diamonds. I kind of showed off my skin color quite nicely, but I like the type of hue or it gave off from different angle. It shows off green and it shows off black. Now, I'm not a huge fan of green, the color green. I don't like it on me, which I'm going to show here, indicate here to you. When I went to Bottega and I was trying on the green bag, I don't really find it looks amazing or great on me. But anywho, another thing, we're sticking on jewelry for a minute. So another thing is from VCA is the vintage Alhambra 5 motif bracelet in the color, not in the color, but in white gold. Now, if you don't know me, I am a sucker for yellow gold. I love yellow gold from like the moon and back, but I find myself lately gravitating towards white gold for some stunning reason. Now, white gold is much easier to tarnish. Yes, it's durable, but it's also very a delicate gem or gemstone, and it's something that, if you're not caring properly, can wear and tear over a period of time and can be more damaging than yellow gold. And it tends to be a much more pricier as well than yellow gold with the amount of alloys that is added to it. I'm not going to really get into all of that nitty-gritty here, but let's get back on topic. And I really love this bracelet here from VCA Van Cleef. That has been on my wish list for quite some time now. The yellow gold look absolutely stunning, but I actually want to create a white gold stack, especially like get the same stack that I have here but in white gold from Cartier and add that Van Cleef. And I think, as I mentioned earlier, the two-tone watch with the yellow gold and the white gold would actually complete the whole look together and just add really nice dimension or touch to the look, to the stack that I have in mind. And I think it's gonna look perfect on me and goes very well with my skin tone, because my skin tone do complement yellow gold and white gold quite beautifully, which I absolutely love. And I love to see white gold on darker skin girls. Oh my god, it looks so stunning. It brings out the skin and the skin tone so beautifully. So I really have that in mind in building my white gold stack, as I mentioned earlier, getting the same love bracelet and stack from Cartier, and also budgeting and meshing it in with the vintage Alhambra 5 motif bracelet in white gold. Now, this white gold actually gave off like a type of silvery type effect. It do holds its value, and so I'm being quite strategic in the types of jewelry pieces that I want to invest into. And it do have a lot of great reviews from people who have purchased it. Of course, you have to be careful with the VCA pieces, especially the Alhambra collection, of course, yes, and it's quite more expensive than the yellow gold for some odd reason. But I really have been having my eye on this, and I would love to build a stack on that. I want to hear your thoughts, guys. Then we move it on to Bvlgari or Bvlgari, however you want to pronounce it. Now, I love this stack here. I'm going to show you here, and also I'm going to show it on the screen here. Now, this is the white gold snake, which is a serpentine design. I fell in love with that serpentine design for years now, and it has been on my wish list for quite some time, a few years now. But I haven't, monked up the funds to get it as yet. yet, but I know I will get there. And this one here is covered in pave diamonds right around the entire bracelet. I find it to be absolutely stunning. I think it's gonna go very well with having that white gold stack. Oh my god, with the Van Cleef and a bit of the Cartier Love bracelet. Oh my god, with the watch, girl. I am a fan of diamond, a sucker of diamond. If you don't know, I know that diamonds don't always hold its value on the resale market, but I just love diamonds so much. Like literally all of my jewelries must have diamonds or some form of diamonds in them. I know I'm just a diamond girl. Diamonds are forever. But girl, I saw this, I fell in love. Please don't ask about the price. I'll put this in here so somebody don't get heart attack, aka me. But girl, yeah, it is on the hefty side of life, but it's on my wish list. Who knows? I might be getting it for my birthday. So let's continue. And another piece that I actually have been setting my eye on, Bvlgari or Bvlgari, or however you want to pronounce it, is their double wrap serpentine covered in pave diamonds. Now this one is a killer. Okay, I really love the double snake effect. So you have it like bended twice, which I'm going to show on the screen here. I find it to be absolutely stunning. It looks gorgeous on. Oh my god, I am going to take a chance and go into the store and try it on and show you guys how it looks on. Of course, it's not going to be in this video that I'm uploading, but it's going to be in my future videos. And just for the sake of it, I want to see, because again, manifestation, darling. That's how I manifest things in my life. Manifestation. Once I have it on, I know I will receive it. There we go. Another thing that I really love. Now, if you guys don't know me, I am a sucker for Porsche or Porsche cars. I love Porsche cars. And one of my favorite cars from Porsche is like Taycan. Now, I'm not a fanatic when it comes to cars and all of the things that assesses with cars, the engine, the horse speed and all of that. But I know a good car when I see it, and I know a car that will match me, my aesthetics, my vibes. And this one, girl, is it. Now, this color in pink, oh my god, I don't know what about pink lately. I am becoming so obsessed with the color pink, blush pink, anything pink. I think when the last time I wore pink, I got a lot of compliments on, and this is kind of giving more of a rosy type of pink, rather than a blush pink. And I got a lot of compliments every time that I wear pink, so I have been gravitating heavily more to pink. I know navy blue is my favorite color. Weird, isn't it? Shocker, yes. And usually I like cars that are in black. I like black cars more, but when I saw this, I was like, yeah, this is on my wish list, and this is going to be the first car that I own, the Taycan in Porsche with pink. Baby girl, I receive it now and I'm gonna get it. Yes, it's on my wish list, and come 2026, if I don't have it in 2026, I will definitely be having it in 2027, because this is my dream car. Like, I love the brand Porsche. I love Porsche cars. I know there are a lot of better cars on the market, but that is what I like and that is what I want. And this has been sitting on my wish list for some time, and I can't wait to get one day that I get the keys and I'll be showing off my pink Porsche, my Barbie pink Porsche. Girl, we have one of the exotic. We're moving our back over into bags, and not just any bags. We're moving to a collectible bags. Yeah, the hottest bag on the market, which is Hermes. Now we know that everyone is trying to get Hermes bag, or if not everyone in the world, but the majority of people trying to get Hermes bag. But me, I'm not just trying to get any type of Hermes bag, girl. I'm trying to get an exotic, a red gem, okay, that is not on the market, and that's not what everyone have. And to be honest with you, quite frank with you, as I said, I am so heavily gravitating towards pink lately. Now when I saw this pink, I think is either in alligator skin, it's a beautiful blush pink in palladium hardware, but mine, I would want either white gold hardware or silver hardware, baby, because this is oh my god, this is so beautiful. And to top it off with this bag with my white gold stack, oh, who is she and her pink Porsche Barbie blush pink car? Like, girl, oh, who is she? I am me. And to be honest, I fell in love when I saw this, and I was like, she is going on my wish list. And I pray to the gods, to the earth, to the moon, to whoever is listening, that I get this bag on my birthday. I will be the most happiest, luckiest girl on the planet, because this exotic bag in alligator skin with palladium hardware goes so beautifully together. I think the colors complement it so nicely because they both like cool tone type color, and I think like yellow gold with the pink would kind of bring it off too harsh, and the yellow gold would kind of be more overpowering. So this bag goes so well together, and once I get this bag, I will definitely be having my initial stamp on it, because it's not custom order, but it's my order. I really want to hear you guys' thoughts in the comment section. This is all of my wish list so far for 2026 New Year's when it comes to luxury and design. Yes, of course I'm not going to be sharing everything with you on my wish list, but these are my most like hand touched, sought after wish list that I will achieve and acquire. You guys thoughts in the comment section. What do you guys think? Is it a is it a no? Is it a yes? Is it a maybe? And yeah, so whenever you've seen this, Merry Christmas and happy 2026 is the year of the horse, the year of prosperity and growth. And you never know, I'll be doing some unboxing with these. Anyways guys, yes, make sure you smash that subscribe button. That's the best way of supporting me, by subscribing, by sharing, by commenting and liking. And if you like me doing these type of videos and I don't know, hauls, whatever I produce on my channel, luxury, beauty, lifestyle, travel, all of that jams, day in the life, knowing about me. If you guys want a Q&A as well, let me know. But enough of me rambling. Haven't I ranted enough? Until next time, your favorite fashion enthusiast, style educator, and luxury addict, Katie Lax. Bye.